Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to play Sims 4 game for free on your PC, both on Windows and Mac, and how you can play this game for free. So this is right now free and how you can play this. So let's dive into the video, and if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So let's dive into it. So the game is available right now on Steam, as well as it is available on EA. As you can see, you can download with you can download it on EA and you can play. So if you're downloading the game on Steam, then you should be having the Steam account. You should be having the Steam, or else you have to download the Steam and you have to install it, then you have to create the account, then you have to launch it. So I'll directly go for Steam like this. I'll open the Steam. So as you can see, this is how it looks like on the Steam when I'm going for steam.com. And as you can see, this is right now free to play for many users, and even if you go to the app, you will be able to see the same, right? So what you have to do is you just have to wait, and you just have to wait for this one to get installed. So it is getting updated, so it will take a couple of minutes, so I'll keep it there. So right now, if you open the Steam, this is how, even if you open the app, this is how you're gonna look like. This will be the same. Okay, so what you have to do is when you open the Steam, you will be able to see that the game is available, and what you have to do is just have to open like this. So as you can see right now, the Steam is opening. I'm sorry for getting delay. So as you can see, if you go to the steam.com, this is also same, and if you go to the Steam app, this is also same, right? So I'll go to the Steam app over here, and first thing what you have to just have to click on Sims. The Sims 4 is now free to play. Click on this one, right? So you just have to click on this one. So it's going to take here. So now it is going to ask you like this. So you got here. So what you can do is you can download this, right? So you can download the game, and you can completely get all the details from here, as you can see. So also, even there is one more method is you can search for Sims 4. You can type like this. So as you can see, you can type like this and you can search the game, and right now that has taken me to here. So the next thing is, as you can see, you wanted to play the game. So as you can see, play with Sims 4. So there is a question like add to library, free to play. So now if I wanted to play a game here itself, I have to go for play game, and if you wanted to add to the library, then I have to click on this one, add library. So admin account in your library, so I have to click on OK, right? So now the next thing is I just have to go to the library, and as you can see, the Sims 4 is there. So now I have to click on install, so that it will be installed. Right now it is going to take around 19.83 GB. So that is not a big thing comparing with Forza Horizon 5 and other bigger games. So I have to go for install. This is what you have to do if you are on this Steam. Simultaneously, if you are on the Mac, or if you wanted to play the game with EA Sports, then you just have to open this one, that ea.com. So that will take you to this, and here you have to click on play for free. Now what you have to do is just have to click on download now option. As you can see, this is available on Apple, Windows, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation. Click on download now. So they're going to ask you the question, EA app for Windows, Origin for Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, Steam. Just go for EA app for Windows. So now as you can see, this is downloaded. So I have to open this. Now go for run, right? Once I have clicked on run, I just have to wait so that it gets installed. So I just have to go for launch the EA app. So as you can see, it is getting uninstalled. There are two options. Either I can repair if they're going through any kind of bug, because this is the latest version that I'm downloading. So it will be always having the update. So they're going to ask you the question the same. So right now they will be connecting to the EA app, and you should be logged with the email, whatever the credentials you are having. For example, if you wanted to log in, you should be having a password and the credential ID. So you have to log in with the respective one, the phone, email ID, and you have to sign in. So once it's sign in, you just have to, that will take into the same as the Steam. You have to just download it, and this is how you can download for EA. So here I have to get the credentials. So I have been logged in right now, so I'm skipping this. All you have to just sign in with the password and whatever details you are having. Once done, that will take you to the page like what I have shown here. Same way that will be shown over here in this like this, and you just have to click on Steam, and you have to add, and most probably they'll be in the library and you can play. This is how you can do this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.